Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Grammarly add-on for Microsoft Edge. So this works just like any other add-on or extension you install in your browser. So what that'll do is it'll allow you to use the Grammarly checker and AI writing app in Edge when you're using other apps. So it kind of tells you some ideas of what it'll work with. Your Gmail, Google Docs, Outlook. It doesn't seem to work with Word Online for some reason, which I think is weird. But maybe it's because Word has its own editor in there. All right, so once you click on Add from the button here, you just have to sign in with your Grammarly account. If you don't have a Grammarly account, you can make a free one real quick. And then once you have it there, let's say you're in a Google document here. As you start typing, you have this little guy popping up here. And if you click on the number here, it tells you what's going on here. And it's broken down into different types of issues here. And then if premium suggestions will show you some more advanced corrections that it can make if you have one of the pay for accounts. So as you're scrolling down here, it'll kind of show you underlined as well. And this will kind of change as it moves along too. And then all you have to do is, let's find the first one here. Like this one just tells you to fix the agreement mistake. So we can just change that to top. And then the next one, correct your spelling. It'll give you a suggestion. You could either delete this suggestion here so it doesn't ask you again. And then you could say it's incorrect suggestion or offensive contact. But if you want to use it, just click on it. Just like that. And then it's the same for Gmail. So we have some issues here. You could accept the fixes here. And of course, Gmail has its own spell checker as well. So I have it turned off here just so you could show you what the Grammarly does. And this will also kind of do some autocorrect as well. So you can see it's fixed that and autocorrected by Grammarly, and then you could change it back if you want. So it has kind of an autocorrect feature. So going back to Docs here, another thing you could do, open the GrammarlyGO, which is their AI tool. We just did a video on this, by the way, but I'll show you real quick how it works. So if you want to do some of these ideas here, pick up my main point and so on, or if you, let me close this off here, highlight it, and then you can click on Improve It. And if you like it, you could click on Insert and we'll replace it, or you can click on More. Let's say we want to simplify it. Let's say that's good, so we click on Insert, and now it'll change it just like that. All right, so like I said, you could use this for grammar corrections. Of course, Google Docs will have its own corrections as well, but if you like Grammarly, if you like the way it works, or if you want to get a second opinion, I like to sometimes use both just to see what each one says. So you just need to go to the add-on here, click on Install or Add. I'll put a link in the description for it, and then you should be able to use it with various apps in Microsoft Edge. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.